Hey folks, it's Matt with Living in Braunfels, Texas and Keller Williams Heritage. Today is Comal County Fair Day. Today is whenever they have the parade for the Comal County Fair here in New Braunfels. So schools are closed, daycares are closed. I got to get these rowdy kids out of the house, so I'm going to take them to the zoo. Not the San Antonio Zoo. I'm going to take them to the one here in New Braunfels. Did you know we had one? Yep, Snake Farm. Follow along. Crocodile. Yeah, it's a little one. You see it? You see it? Snake back there. Banded rock rattlesnake.
I'm gonna go over there.
Yeah. It's the eastern black-tailed rattlesnake. You want to go over there?
Yeah. Way over there.
Okay. What's way over there?
What's there?
The king cobra.
Oh! What? Well, look at that snake, Dada!
Yeah.
Hey, look at that.
He's long. See, his head's right there, underneath that leaf.
What's that bulge?
Whoa!
Good. He likes it.
Are you looking at snakes?
Yeah? All right, let's go see some more. Okay.
It's not common anymore.
No, it's a king snake.
I can't see it.
You see the lizards up here? The green tree monitor. Eastern diamondback rattlesnakes. You want some of those? Okay, we'll come back when we're done, okay? Oh. The green anaconda. Look, yeah, the bearded dragon. Bearded dragon?
No, get in my hand.
They're not gonna get your hands. Keep your hands right there.
I'm not getting my hand.
No. Here, sit back down. We're gonna move.
Look at
Yeah.
that.
This is Mike Rowe when he was out here.
1, 2, 3. How many rattlesnakes are in the pen? I think we're gonna count them as we catch them. Jared, why are we gonna...
There's a gift shop up here. zebra. Can you see this one? No, he's not moving. I don't know, he's just resting. He's just resting.
He's resting a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, he's more like that.
You see this one?
That one is sleeping.
Maybe. I think his eyes are open. Mexican West Coast rattlesnake.
What is that?
It's a rattlesnake.
See, Dada?
Can you see this one?
You open the door.
No, we're not opening the door.
Why?
Because he could bite us.
That's a flying thing.
You see the lizards up here? The chameleon? Hey, do you see the turtle down here? You see the turtle? Hey, look.
What is that noise, Dada?
It's a hand dryer. After you wash your hands. Look. You see the crocodiles in there? It's kind of hard to see through the glass. You just have to come to Snake World to see it yourself. Snake World. In a little bit, not right now. Yeah. It's a dwarf crocodile? Yeah. There's some bigger ones outside. The reticulated python. What does he eat? I think he eats Fruit Loops. Yeah, I think they eat Fruit Loops. That's what I learned on TV, is they eat Fruit Loops, right? Let's go outside. Oh my gosh, it's a giant spider! Is that a real spider or pretend spider? Pretend spider. You see the otters? Can you see the otters in there? You see them over there? Yeah, it looks like they're resting for a little bit. Yeah, they're resting.
Why? Tired?
I guess. Hey guys, hope you're enjoying this video. Make sure you hit that like button below and also hit subscribe. Put out new videos every single week. And if you're thinking about moving to New Braunfels, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. Be able to help you out. There's a fox over here. You see the fox? Big ears.
Oh, those are tires right there. Those are tires.
Yeah, are they tired?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not tired. Look at that.
Ah!
Look at that.
Yeah, the South American Codimundi. He's licking his tail. Let's go this way. Hey, did you see lemurs at the zoo with Grandma? I think we got more lemurs somewhere. Here they are. Oh, look, you see the turtle? You see the tortoise down here? Look,
Whoa!
see the big turtle down there? Look down there. The tortoise. Yeah. But yeah, there's the lemurs.
Look at that.
Another tortoise. No, we don't eat that. Squirrel monkeys? It's a gibbon. There he is. You see him? Where's he going? Let's follow him. Whoa. Can you do that? Yeah. Oh, he's peeing. Thanks, Gibbon. Have some chickens? You see some chickens? Look. You see the chickens? Yeah. The rooster. What do we have here? Yeah? Some mountain lions. Hello. Oh, let's go see the hyenas. Oh, there's a lion. Look, Ryan. You see him? You see the lion? Big. Look, he's looking over here. Is that cool? Hey, did you see the lion? Hey, buddy, did you see the lion? He's trimming some trees. Isn't that so cool?
Good morning, everybody. To anyone who can hear me, we are going to go
Look,
ahead
a
and
gray
get
wolf.
started with our 11:30 carnivore feeding show.
Ryan, look, it's a wolf.
In just a couple of minutes, it's going to start over in front of our
Where'd he go?
hyena exhibit. So if anyone is interested in seeing some of our carnivores get fed, you can head on over to the hyena, which is right next to the main stage. And we'll
See the
get
hyenas?
started at 11:30.
The wolf's over here. We'll come back to him. Oh. Look at this tortoise over here. He's big. See the big turtles?
Look at Whoa!
It's a tortoise.
It's coming
African
over here.
spur-thighed tortoise.
There's more too.
Yeah.
They're gonna take care of
Yeah,
most
see a chicken?
animals you guys have seen while walking around outside today, including our carnivores here. And you guys can come up closer to the fence too if you like. Don't have to be shy back there. But is this anyone's first time with the zoo? No? today. This is a small and family-owned facility, right? So all the money you guys spend here does go right back to us to help us take care of all of our announcement, guys. Please do not climb up the fence, right? At all throughout the zoo, but especially during the show. Now, introduce our hyena boys to you guys. They're right up here and ready. So up front,
See the
we have
hyenas?
Snips. He is a little bit larger. He is the lighter colored one of the two. And his brother Songa right next to him, who's a little bit darker. I'm a little bit smaller as well. So these two are brothers, right? They are about 14 years old now. So they are getting up there in years. They would be considered geriatric out in the wild. Though these guys can live into their 20s in human care. And now these guys are called spotted hyenas, which is the largest of the 4 hyena species. But they are also known by another name.
Hey, you want to see the wolf?
Sounds that they make. You guys will probably be able to guess that in a second.
You see the wolf?
Doing it for us.
There's a wolf.
Yeah, laughing hyenas. Based on that sound that they make, it has a few different meanings, right? They can do it when they're excited, so we see it right before feeding time. It can also be kind of a noise of possessiveness, right? If this is their chicken, they see it, it is theirs, that's what they're gonna want.
You see the crocodiles over there?
We only feed them 6 days a week, so they feed it faster
See 'em?
on 1 day a week. And that is
You see 'em over there?
to replicate how these guys eat in the wild. The carnivores do not eat every single day, right? What usually happens is they'll catch something big,
Yeah, over there.
gorge themselves on it.
Crocodiles and alligators?
Strongest life forces out of any carnivore out there.
Yeah. So, if y'all didn't know this, you can tell the difference between a crocodile and an alligator. One says after a while and the other says see you later. Yeah.
Because these guys will also digest almost every single part of the animal. So,
What do we have over here? You see an owl? Hey, can you see the owl up there? Yeah, there's 2 of them. Yeah, there's 2 of them. Whoa. Some prairie dogs? Armadillo? So you'll see these on the road and other places. See the jaguar? Oh my god. They're way up there in the corner. The black one and a spotted one. You see the jaguars? mountain lions?
They get very excited for food. But unlike our hyenas, they
Hey.
are the males that are the dominant ones. So I will try to
Yeah?
rescue Cherokee first, or else it's a little bit upset.
Are there some buffalo?
Now, do you guys know what sound a wolf makes?
You see the buffalo over here? The buffalo. So yeah, while this is a zoo, they have quite a few animals. It's not as big as obviously like say maybe the San Antonio Zoo that you've seen in a previous video. But this one is privately owned. What do we have over here? See the big buffalo right there? Yeah. See the birds? There's a pink one up there. Look up there. There's a pink one up there. Pink and white, yeah. Look, a peacock. There's a warthog in there somewhere. Can't see. Whoa, what do we have over here? What do we have over here? What are those? Zebras and camels. Yeah, zebras and camels. Yeah, camels eat hay. Yeah. Is that cool? What do you think of the zebras? Is that cool? All right, guys, so that's about all the snake farm right there. Snake farm and animal zoo. If you like it, make sure you come on out here. It's on 35 South, just take the Hinkle Road exit. Great time. You see, I mean, kids were like super well behaved. I was kind of nervous that they weren't gonna be. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the snake farm. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. That really helps out my channel. And make sure you subscribe so you can see every time I put out a new video. Until next time, take care, y'all, and enjoy the next video.